Hey there, are you looking to save some money by changing your car's oil yourself? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to change your car's oil. First things first, you're going to need some supplies. You'll need fresh oil, a new oil filter, a wrench, a jack stand, and an oil pan to catch the old oil. Start by jacking up your car and placing it on a jack stand. Locate the oil pan underneath your car and place your oil pan underneath. Using your wrench, loosen the oil drain plug and let the old oil drain out into the pan. After all the oil has drained out, remove the old oil filter. You may need an oil filter wrench to do this. Before installing the new filter, lubricate its gasket with some of the new oil. Now, install the new oil filter by turning it clockwise until it's snug. Don't over-tighten it, otherwise it'll be difficult to remove next time. Finally, it's time to add the new oil. Check your car's owner manual for the recommended oil type and amount. Add the oil slowly and use a funnel if you need to. With the oil added, start your car and check for any leaks around the oil filter and drain plug. If everything looks good, turn off your engine and check the oil level using your car's dipstick. And that's it. You've successfully changed your car's oil. Make sure to dispose of your old oil properly and give yourself a pat on the back for saving some money. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos.